Hello student, today we are going to make a scissor. So let's see what do we have in our book. Well, we see a mind-blowing scissor drawing right here. All we have to do is follow the steps and start making. We can use our scale for this one. At first, let's make a slanting line. And then another slanting line on top of that. If you notice, we've made a plus sign. After which, let's start making a slanting line till here. And another slanting line on top. Well, the center point or the midpoint of our two slanting line needs to meet exactly on top of the standing line. After which, we are going to make two slanting lines here and then join it with two sleeping lines. Once we are done with that, we are going to make these two curves for the bottom of our scissor. And then let's make two circles inside. This is beautiful. Now let's make a curved line right here and a circle in the middle. We need to make another slanting line which is touching this curved part right here. So let's do this together. This looks brilliant. Our scissor is ready. Let's erase these curved lines here and then start making this inside part nicely. Yes, we need to erase the overlapping part as well. If your circle is erased because of that, not to worry, you can make it once again. Now it's time for us to sketch it. So, can we take our sketch pen and start sketching? Sketch this very slowly and nicely. Be aware of all the overlapping parts and do not sketch the ones which are the rough parts. This is great. Let's continue making the bottom part and a circle inside. And look, our scissor looks brilliant. Can we take our blue color and start coloring inside? Yes, let's take a darker blue at first and do the outline. Only in the inner parts of this. After that, let's take the same color, release the pressure and color lightly. That's amazing. Let's take blue color, which is like a light blue, and continue coloring in the scissor. This gives it such a beautiful shading effect, isn't it? And at some point, leaving a little bit of white spaces in the corners. That is how it's shown in our book, and we will follow the same instructions. And well, this looks very interesting. If we notice, we are going from a darker shade to a lighter shade. Let's continue this together. Let's take a grey color and do these patches here. Yes, we just need to do a little patches here and there. After which, we are going to take a white color and color right on top. This is gonna give it such a beautiful effect. And this looks amazing.